Welcome to this new tutorial video. Today, we're going to look at how to use Element X for surface planning. I'll show you how you can generate paths for things like welding, overlay, or sanding, all based on 3D scanned data. The great thing is, you don't need any CAD models or nominal data to make it work. Let's get started. Let's start by importing a scan. In this example, we're working with a scan of 2 pipes that have been tack welded together. Our first goal is to generate a welding path. To do that, click on Path Selection. This will open a new window where you can draw the welding path you need. Simply hold down the Control key and click directly on the surface of the scan. Element X will handle the rest. It'll project the path onto the surface and automatically adjust the orientation and direction for you. Now that we've generated the path, we can move on to the toolpath generation window to design a welding path that fits the specific tool and material requirements. In this window, you can select the robotic cell you're working with and adjust various path parameters. These include options for smoothness, weaving, and different welding jobs, giving you full control over the process. Element X comes with a plugin for RoboDK, allowing you to generate paths tailored to your specific robotic cell. In this example, we're using a 6-axis FANUC setup equipped with a MIG torch. This integration ensures that the paths are perfectly suited to your equipment and ready for execution. If the robotic path doesn't meet the operator's requirements, no problem. You can always adjust the parameters directly in Element X. For example, you can modify the torch direction or tweak the smoothness to ensure the path aligns perfectly with the task at hand. Element X isn't just for welding, it's also great for area path planning, which comes in handy for tasks like overlay, cladding, sanding, or even painting. To get started, you simply select an area using the Path Selection window. Next, head over to the Toolpath Generation window and select the Area mode. Here, you can define the geometric characteristics of the zigzag path by adjusting the bead width and bead thickness. Just like with the welding path, you can also customize the smoothness and tool orientation for area path planning.